Hello everyone, this is me, Momita Mandal, and this is my very first YouTube video. And I'm going to create this clean makeup look. It's really easy and beginners friendly. This is how my skin looks without makeup or any other skincare products. I'm starting off with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer and applying that all over my face. I'll mention all the products that I use in this tutorial in the description box, so you can check it out if you need anything. I'm going to hydrate my lips using the good old Vasline. Next up, I'm using this 2-in-1 E.l.f. cosmetic lash and eyebrow primer. It's in gel form and I'm using the eyebrow gel to set my brows, and I'm using the upward strokes to lift my eyebrows. Next up, I'm using this Lacto calamine SPF 50 sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun damages. And the reason why I did my brows before applying sunscreen is because I wanted my moisturizer to sink in to my skin before I applied any other product. Applying a generous amount of this sunscreen all over my face and my neck, as you can see. I'm using the lash gel from the same E.l.f. cosmetic Maroon gel. Next up, I'm using this Colorbar primer and I'm applying it straight on my cheeks and my forehead and my nose and my chin, and I'm gently pressing the product onto my skin. So like I mentioned earlier in the starting of the video, that this is my very first YouTube tutorial, so I don't really have much idea about filming videos, my makeup videos especially, and angles and lighting and stuff, so please bear with me until I figure out things. For foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. My shade is 330 and I'm dotting it all over my face before blending it with a damp beauty blender. And here I am using a tapping motion to blend this foundation into my skin. I'm also going to take this foundation and blend it on my neck and as well as on my nose, because I want my face and my neck to look similar. I'm taking my time to blend the product. Excuse me if you can hear some background noises. It's because my house is really near a street. For concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Revival Concealer, and I'm using it on right under my eyes and around my lips and a little bit on my chin. And I'm blending the concealer with the same beauty blender, and I'm using a tapping motion here. I'm taking my time to blend all the products, so please make sure to blend the products so it gives a natural kind of finish. We want that for this look. I just want to say thank you for watching the video halfway through. For setting my face, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetic Banana Powder, and I'm only setting the areas that are set concealer, and I'm also going to use that powder on my nose to set my nose where I tend to get sweaty and oily, and as well as on my forehead and under my chin and neck. I'm using this Beauty contouring and highlighting palette, and I'm taking a middle shade which is like a warm bronzer, and I'm applying that to the perimeters of my face, this the outer part, and on my cheekbone. I'm also going to use the tiniest bit of the bronzer on my jawline to enhance it, and also I'm going to contour my nose using the same bronzer that we used for my face. I'm using the Swiss Beauty blusher palette, and I'm using the shade right above my cheekbone. That's why I like my blush to be, because it just lifts my face up. Next up, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in the shade Golden, and this is really beautiful shade for all the warm toned Indian girls out there. It's just really beautiful when the light hits. Placing the highlighter on my cheekbone and also under my eyebrows. I'm also going to use the tiniest bit on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose, on my cupid bow, and the rest I'll just dust it off on my chin. I'm going to curl my lashes since I'm not using any false lash extensions, so I'm just going to curl my lashes. This really helps to open my eyes a bit more. You can totally skip this process, and if you're doing it, just be careful. And here I'm using the Maybelline Newyork mascara on my eyelashes, and as you can see I got some on my lips. We are not panicking, we are not worried at all, we're gonna fix that later. The trick here is to let your mascara dry, and then you can clean up with a earbud or a spoolie. I'll show you that. And here I am using the same bronzing shade. For this eye look you don't really need a lot of products. I'm just using the bronzer in a small fluffy brush and blending it in a circular motion, as you can see. So here's the part that you've been waiting for. I'm just taking a clean dry spoolie and scrubbing the mascara off. See how it was easy. If you don't have a spoolie, you can just go ahead and use a earbud. And to finish off the eye look, I'm just using the same highlighter, the Maybelline one that I used on my face, and I'm using my ring finger to apply the product. This highlighter just gives the shiny glossy kind of finish to my eyes. We are almost done with this makeup look. Here I am using the brown shade to line my lips a bit, and I'm just going to follow my own natural lip line. At first I went with a nude combo lip, which didn't go really well with this looks, and here I am using the setting spray to set my face, and later on I changed this lipstick, as you can see, with this nude pinkish kind of a lip shade, and this really went with the look, to be honest, better than the last lip combo. And here I am using a gloss. I think for this look a gloss is a must. We are done with this makeup tutorial, guys. Thank you for sticking by. If you're still watching, just want to say thank you, and please support this channel. Please make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification button, and like the video if you did like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.